Okay, so I'm back at my home screen for my courses. This is where I can add all of my materials and manage my materials. You have to be very careful with how you put in your materials. Like right now, this is a little sloppy for me. I want to make sure that when I go to a course that it is going to be nice and organized for my students, and I'm going to do that based off of folders. And I think folders are going to be really helpful because whatever you're planning on doing for that class or that group, it will help you organize. So for practicing, for example, I can show in here all of the different practice examples that I would like. I can use what's called my breadcrumbs, which are up here at the top, to manipulate and move through my courses. So let's go to a folder that actually has some content in it, like managing my materials, PD course. This would be what I push out to you guys. And here I can see all of the different things that I want to talk to you about. This is much more organized. This is how I would like you guys to move through this course. Okay, and if you get into the section here where you're moving through your course and you want to go back to your home course, again, use your breadcrumbs. If I click on the name of the course, it'll take me back to my home screen.